So look, if you've been thinking about starting an LLC in Florida, there's something important you should know up front. A ton of people end up making this whole process way harder than it needs to be. And honestly, when you start digging into Florida's formation steps, you immediately see why. It feels like a long to-do list filled with legal terms and documents you're somehow supposed to already understand. And that's usually where the overwhelm begins. Because you've got the name search, the Florida Articles of Organization, the registered agent, the operating agreement, the EIN, and then Florida adds in a couple of its own special rules. And you might be thinking, if this is so easy, why does it feel so complicated? So yeah, I completely understand the frustration, and that's why I always tell people not to overthink it. You absolutely do not have to figure out every step on your own. You don't need to spend hours watching tutorials or trying to understand legal language. It's much easier to use a formation service that handles everything in the correct order and avoids all the confusion. And here's the part most people don't mention. After trying multiple LLC services for my own businesses, there's one that consistently made the Florida process fast, simple, and way less stressful. And that's Taylor Brands. They guide you through everything clearly, file your documents correctly, keep you compliant, and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to form a Florida LLC without hiring a lawyer or wasting your weekend decoding state instructions, use the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment, because my link automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks for watching this video. I wanted to keep things short and helpful so you can get your Florida LLC set up without stress. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. I'll see you in the next video.